Where does the name for Caergybi, or in English Holyhead, come from? So today I'm in Caergybi, Holyhead. It's a town and a port in the far west of Anglesey. Let's get into the name. So it's the 4th century and the Roman Empire had just collapsed in Britain, and this led to a kind of mass upheaval, a lot of social unrest where people were moving all around the island and often out of the way of the invading Anglo-Saxons. One person who moved here from the north of England to escape the Saxons was King Malun Gwyneth, who set up the Kingdom of Gwynedd, which controlled a vast swathe of land from here all the way across to the border. Now, Malun Gwyneth had lots of sons, and many of them became saints, and to each of his sons he gave a portion of land for them to set up a church. Now, to his son Caergybi, he gave him the Roman fortress, which was here in Holyhead. And this Roman fortress is where Caergybi built his church inside of. And actually, the walls of the Roman fortress are the walls of the churchyard behind me. So it became known as Caergybi's fortress. Fortress in Welsh is Caergybi. Now this video is dedicated to Harry, one of my patrons, one of the most patient and longest supporting ones actually, so shout out to him. I appreciate all of my patrons of course, and I couldn't do the videos that I do without their support. If you want to sponsor a video for a place of your own, of your choice, you can on a certain tier of my Patreon. You can find it on the link in the description. The island that Holyhead is on has been associated with saints ever since then, and that's actually where the English name for Holyhead comes from. The name of this island in English is Holy Island, and Holyhead is right near the headland of that island, so Holyhead. So the name literally means Caergybi's fortress or the Holy Head. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.